This bird looks innocent, but it drinks blood. Meet the oxpecker, a bird that rides on large animals like hippos and buffalo. At first, it seems helpful, eating parasites like ticks and flies. But here's the twist. If the animal has a wound, the oxpecker doesn't just clean it. It drinks the blood. In some cases, it picks at the wound, keeping it open longer just to feed. Scientists once thought this was a symbiotic relationship, but now we know it can actually be harmful to the host. Nature is full of surprises. This is the oxpecker, part cleaner, part vampire. Follow for more wild facts.